Trying to lose a few pounds this summer without giving up on flavor? Let me show you 2 smoothies that are not only delicious, but actually help you feel lighter and more energized. Hey, I'm Megan, and in today's video, I'm sharing 2 of my go-to smoothie recipes for hot summer days. They're healthy, creamy, super easy to make, and they help your body work better, burn fat more efficiently, and stay cool all at once. And stick around till the end because I've got a little bonus tip to boost their effects naturally. No gimmicks, just real results. Smoothie number 1, strawberry and apricot. Let's start with a classic combo that never fails. Here's what you'll need. 1/2 cup fresh strawberries, washed and hulled, 2 fresh apricots, halved and pitted, 1/2 cup low-fat plain yogurt, 1/4 cup milk, regular or plant-based, your choice, 1 teaspoon of honey for extra sweetness, optional. How to make it? Toss everything into a blender and blend for about a minute until it's super smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and serve right away. I like mine over lots of ice when it's hot out. So good. Smoothie number 2, mango and passion fruit. Ready for something with a tropical twist? You'll need 1 medium mango, peeled and chopped, the pulp of 2 passion fruits. You can strain it if you don't like the seeds, but honestly, I love them. 1/2 cup low-fat plain yogurt, 1/2 cup milk, dairy or non-dairy works great. How to make it? Blend everything for about a minute. The sweetness of the mango and the tartness of the passion fruit make such a perfect match. Want to get fancy? Sprinkle a few passion fruit seeds on top. Super cute and tasty. These smoothies are perfect for breakfast, as a midday snack, or even a pre-workout boost. They're refreshing, satisfying, and help fuel your body naturally. Why they're so good for you? Besides tasting amazing, they're packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They support digestion, improve gut health, and even give your skin that healthy glow. And when you nourish your body with real food, it responds with more energy and less stored fat. And like I promised, check the first pinned comment. I've left a free ebook with simple and natural metabolism boosting tips you can use right now this summer. Go grab it. If you're into easy and healthy recipes, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves tasty food, and comment below, which smoothie are you making first? And of course, hit that subscribe button. We've got brand new wellness recipes every single week to keep you inspired. Big hug, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.